Greetings, passengers. I'm coming to you from Moynihan train hall, the new world-class transportation near Penn Station. Opened on New Year's Day yesterday. Now look at this. New world-class technology transportation. The screens. You got the security guards below, escalators to get to Amtrak. Look at this. Absolutely phenomenal.
Oh, you can't go around it.
Ceiling glass, on time and on budget. Below is a train. Below is the track number of the destination and going to what train. Ramps. See the signs. Over there it is Amtrak and New Jersey and Amtrak and LIRR air train tickets to JFK, excuse me. Wow. Absolute world class. I'll be back with you again for part 2. Don't miss it.